Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,498.7. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 slipped 0.13%, while Germany's DAX fell 0.48%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,873.18, and the S&P 500 was also down at 7,515.34, as renewed Middle East tensions weighed on investor sentiment. In company news, BP said second quarter upstream production is expected to decline, although oil trading is set to be slightly stronger than the previous quarter. Meanwhile, Debenhams reported strong summer trading, suggesting its turnaround strategy continues to make progress. Against sterling, the US dollar strengthened slightly, while the Swiss franc, euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar all weakened. Bitcoin was up. In commodities, copper and Brent crude moved higher, gold edged lower, and natural gas was broadly firmer as energy markets continued to react to geopolitical developments. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.